Okay, balik po tayo sa ating palatuntunang Good Morning Boss at sa puntong ito'y kilalanin po natin ng husto kung sino ang General Manager ng Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office sa katauhan ni Attorney Ferdinand Rojas II sa ating Real Talk. Panoorin natin.
Bagamat lumaki sa marangyang pamilya si PCSO General Manager, hindi niya kinalilimutang tumulong sa mga Pilipinong higit na nangangailangan. Samahan niyo akong tunghayan ang tunay na kwento at tunay na buhay ni Attorney Ferdinand Rojas. Alright, good morning, GM Rojas.
Morning.
Welcome to Real Talk.
Morning.
How are you?
Okay naman.
Ang tagal nating di nakita, last was Christmas party ng PCSO.
Yes, oo. Well, the next
Oo
Christmas
nga,
party.
malapit na ulit ang December.
Malapit na.
Pero GM, gusto namin mas makilala, bukod sa, of course, you're the PCSO General Manager. Sa likod nun, ano si GM Rojas?
Well, my parents are both businessmen. My father's into real estate and was a banker. My mother naman is into a business also. Di-deliver kami ng mga fresh meat in the different fresh markets. Youngest ako, so medyo malaking age gap as compared to my other brothers and sisters. Pero yung bonding ko naman sa parents ko during summer vacations or weekends, I joined them sa office. So nakakasama ko sila nung bata ako, parang kasama nila ako. So mga brothers and sisters ko naman, pag weekends may mga family get-together kami, we get to bond together.
Kamusta naman yung pag-aaral po ninyo habang, of course,
well,
high school and college?
Grade school and high school, I was in De La Salle Taft and La Salle Green Hills. College naman, I went to the United States for my bachelor's degree in Massachusetts. And then, pagbalik ko, nag-law school ako, I went to Ateneo.
Oh, so shift tayo ng
dual daw eh.
Oh,
pero
dual.
mas green-blooded tayo kasi 11 years ako nasa Lasal.
So, lawyer po kayo. Kamusta po ang pagiging lawyer?
Okay naman. Masaya. It's very challenging. It's not as glamorous as what you see in LA Law, yung sa mga TV series. Pero one good thing about being a lawyer is that at least meron kang parang advantage when it comes to business, or at the same time when you go into other undertakings, it gives you an advantage.
And GM, balita namin meron kayong sariling law firm.
I have a law firm which was active before I came to PCSO. Before I was with some partners and then later on, solo practice ako.
Okay. So, pag-usapan naman natin yung mga hobbies ni GM. Despite your busy schedule, ano po bang pinagkakaabalahan nyo to relax?
Well, dati, ako yung nag-horse breeding. A long time ago, I used to ride, sumasakay ako sa kabayo. Yung father ko, used to have race horses. So, nung bata pa lang ako, sumasama na ako noon, nanonood ng horse racing. So, nag-develop ko yung passion for horses. So, after college, nagkaroon ako ng sarili kong race horses and I went to horse breeding also. And at the same time, nag-equestrian polo ko for a short while.
Balita namin, napakagaling niyo daw po mag-paint.
I hindi naman medyo beginner, but I do some abstract with acrylic.
Meron din po kayong radio program na show.
Na-invite tayo once in a while to co-host and sa radio programs. Dati noon, kasama ko yung mga priests, mga pare, in a radio show. And then dati naman merong radio program na co-host din ako yung tungkol sa mga paghingi ng mga pagtulong ng mga ating kababayan for medical assistance.
Let's talk about your PCSO life. We all know na talagang grabe, sobrang busy yung schedule nyo because PCSO is really there to help our mga kababayan through charity work. So, kamusta po ang PCSO life?
Okay naman, masaya. But what distinguishes PCSO from any other government work or agencies that aside yung usual government work, you become an instrument in helping others.
Yes.
So, alam mo, yan ang nakakataba ng puso na pag nalaman mong may natulungan ka, may sakit na cancer, nakatulong ka sa kanyang chemo drugs, o sa kanyang heart operation, nakatulong kami. We're all instruments dito, whether it's me or the other employees, in really giving medical and health-related assistance.
This is the treasury.
This is the Treasury Department. Ito si Rhea Sweet, ang department manager namin. Ito yung kanyang mga division chiefs at saka yung mga iba't ibang mga...
So this is the Treasury Department. So dito mga pinipirmahan yung mga cheque. Pwede ba humingi?
Yung mga nangangailangan naman ng tulong, pwede silang pumunta sa pinakamalapit ng PCSO branch office kung sila nasa probinsya o sa aming opisina dito sa aming charity center. At kailangan dala lang nila yung mga required medical documents tulad ng mga medical abstract, hospital bill, protocol treatment, original lahat. At pag kumpleto ang mga dala nilang papeles ay ipaproseso na kagad nung araw na yun ang kanilang mga pangangailangan.
Alright, GM, syempre hindi namin papalagpasin to sa Real Talk. Alam namin na talagang napakatalino nyo, very talented. Lahat na nasa inyo. Ano bang other side ni GM o yung hidden talent niya na hindi alam ng lahat? We want to know, do you sing, dance? Or kasi kung dance, sasayawan kita ngayon, GM.
Yan ang wala tayong talent sa singing. Medyo sintonado tayo talaga. So kailangan pa siguro mag-voice lessons.
Do you dance, GM?
Konti lang. Pero hindi naman ako magaling sumayaw.
Sample naman, GM.
Pwede naman.
Naman mo ako kasi hip-hopper ako eh.
Hip-hopper yan. Pagdating ng swing, gano'n lang. Ayan na.
Tapos babalik na.
Mabalik na. Kaya-kaya naman pala eh.
Thank you so much, GM. Thank you. So, GM, alam natin ang buhay, hindi naman laging kasiyahan yan, puro masaya. Siyempre, meron din tayong mga challenges. What do you think is your greatest or major na challenge na encounter niyo sa buhay?
Well, marami yan. Sa trabaho, sa family. But at the end of the day, isa lang naman ang iisipin mo. Do what you think is the best and the right thing to do, and you cannot go wrong.
Yes. What do you think is siguro yung message that you want to impart sa mga generation ngayon or yung nag-aspire maging katulad ninyo?
Well, number one, maging serious lang kayo sa inyong studies and try to pursue, after taking your bachelor's degree, a masteral on a specialized field. Pangalawa naman, if they intend to work in a private or in the government, pumili sila siguro ng isang sektor na talagang gusto nila so that they can give their best.
Right. Lessons in life naman na natutunan natin na that you want to impart or you share it to all of us.
Well, number one, ang lessons in life is that never kang mag-agrabyado o take advantage of others. May karma yan eh. Hindi ba na ikaw na mag-agrabyado, huwag lang ikaw mag-agrabyado. Ako si Attorney Joy Rojas, isang abogado at general manager sa PCSO. Tunay na tao at iyan ang aking tunay na kwento.
Alright, so ayan po, napanood po natin si PCSO, of course, Attorney Ferdinand Rojas.